Assalamu Walaikum. Hello friends, how are you? Welcome back to my another video. In this video, I am going to show you how to add a vertical scroll shape in Microsoft Excel. Let's get started. At first, you have to open your Excel workbook. Now we want to add a vertical scroll shape. Go to the Insert menu. Select the Shape drop down menu. We can see here many shape. Now I am go to the Stars and Banner section and select the vertical scroll shape. We can see here the scroll vertical. Then draw the shape to this sheet. You can change the shape fill color or outline color. Select the shape and go to the shape format menu. Choose shape fill and select the color. You can change the outline color. Otherwise you can add shadow or more than style or effect. Now we can see we add a vertical scroll shape easily. I hope you enjoyed my video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.